What's up guys? Nandito kami ngayon sa Ocean Park. Kasama ko mga baby ko. Ayan. Tayo pupunta.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Nakikita ko ngayon sa Silayan, so crowded na ito.
Ticket, punta tayo sa ticket.
Tingnan natin yung age.
Ayan, si baby may bayad na tupit lang. Ayan, magbabayad na kami ng ticket. Gana, pasok na dun. Kaya
para kung mawala, may kopya kayo.
let's go. Huwag mo na buhatin, mabigat. Saan tayo? Sa loob? Hindi ka kakain muna? Ayan guys, papasok na kami. Wait lang. Oh, yun, no? Penguin.
Gawain sa... Yan o, gilo.
Uy, gilo.
Gilo.
Sige na, pasok na. Uy, oh.
We would also like to remind everyone to maximize your time at the ground floor by utilizing the interactive trucks and other educational materials installed inside before proceeding to the second level. Additional activities
Ayan yung pangalan niya, oh.
glass bottle boat ride and central art tables are available with additional fees at the second floor. Exit is after the souvenir shop, also located at the second level. May you have a deeper experience. Welcome
Wala.
to Agos.
Oo.
Ito o,
Ayun na, labo. Oh, tingin kayo dito. Bibi. Russell. Rafael, tingin kayo dito. Russell. Tingin kayo daddy. Pasok na dyan. Dito tayo umpisa. Uy, laki. Sige, oh.
ano kaya ganito ang piswen?
Saan? Yun yung pagkain nila, oh.
Ano mas nato to? Yan.
Ayun yung nakalagay doon sa gilid. Yung sa gilid doon, basahin mo doon.
Janitor fish to, janitor.
Oh. Tingin ka dito, baby. Silip nga, love. Wow.
Pag sa gabi na, umiilaw yan to eh. Sa gabi na.
Wow.
Yan yung mga nailaw.
Anong tawag dyan?
Hindi ko alam, piranha.
Okay. Ah, cute. Kulay blue siya. Sige na.
Ano yan to?
Oh, gumagalaw. Kita mo?
Ano to?
Ayun, gumagalaw oh. Ayun oh.
Ano yan?
Ka dun. Tingin ka dito. Ayan. Oh, fish. Ayun oh.
Lion, ano yan? Ano tayo nag-lion?
Sila yun oh.
Ito to.
Wow. Ayun oh.
Ayun, rainbow.
Tinatanggal niya yung pato. Ay, papasok siya, papasok siya. Ay, kakasya siya?
Hindi siya nakanta. Yung mga baby dyan nilalagay. Mga baby nilalagay. Anong tawag dyan?
Yung parang ano. Tama? Oo. Ang ganda nun oh. Oh.
Ito.
Sige na. Ay.
Ano yan?
Ayun oh.
Ah, naputol yung ano niya. Na,
Ano yan?
kulay blue.
Wala nang pangalan kasi tinungkol.
Oh! Nakita na natin yun. Nakita na natin yun.
Hindi pa. Hindi tayo dumaan dito. Pag ganun tayo. O dito tayo pag ganun.
Ito. Lapu-lapu.
O dito tayo. Tara.
Nandun sila lapu-lapu.
Hawakan mo, hawakan mo. Wow! Talakitok. Laki oh. Oo. Sarap oh. Sarap. Sarap ba yan?
Ano magawa sa'yo, sir?
dadaanan natin yan. Sige. Punta ka dun. Ayun, laki oh. Uy, laki oh.
Paglabas niyan ang haba.
Ayun, malaki pa oh. Ay, hindi.
Ano yan?
Puffer, ano yun? Puffer fish. Ay, yung yun oh. May maliit oh, may big.
Liit ng mata.
Ha?
Tanggalin mo to yung flashlight.
Wala eh.
Parang... Yun o nga to.
Ayun, laki.
Paano sila nang oriente? Hindi na.
Ayun.
Oo, ayun o. Yate.
Picture ka dyan, dalawa. Wow! Hello. Picture muna, tingin muna. Ready? Buka muna po. Kira. Ayun, dapat dito kayo. Wait lang. Sorry. Ay! Wala. Ayun, bangus. Milkfish. Ito oh. Ayun. Shark yan. Tara dito. Ay, yung pwede pasok yung kamay. Hindi ka. Papasok na ka dito. Tingin ka dito. Pasok mo yung kamay mo. Hindi, dahan-dahan. Ayan. Ikaw, baby.
Magagagin.
Hindi.
Ang ginagawa nila.
Pero, nakain niya yung mga dumi. Sa loob. Sige lang, steady mo lang. ko na. Rap. Tika na, love. Oh, yun o. Oh, yun o.
Paglaki
Ayun,
niyan.
sir. Oh, laki oh.
Yan o, paglaki niyan. Malaki yan.
Ha?
Diyan sila kumukuha ng ano na to.
Sige na, sa loob.
Oo.
Excuse me.
Ano yan?
Sige na.
Ay, hindi. Ganyan tayo.
Ibababad mo yung paa mo dyan. Kakainin nila yung mga dumi. Oh. Kakainin yung ingrown mo. Ay. Oh, no, no, look. Sige. Halika na, dito na. Let's go. Oo. May bayad dyan eh. Piyal ka tayo.
Pasok tayo.
May bayad eh. Ang dami pila eh. $6.50 per print.
Lang pala yun.
Saan? Snake. Ayun na.
Pinakain yan eh. Diba?
Abong. Abong mo.
Wow!
Yan na.
Ay, gumagalaw.
Balik ka na. Love. Sakain ko lang. Eh, sa dessert. Laban laki nito oh. Oh. Laki ng laki oh.
Ano, Rosen?
Ang laki oh. Wala dyan. Dito lang dyan. Huh? Ayun ang panot ko. Ayun.
Ayun, ang laki oh.
Panot.
Galbo.
Oh, yun oh. Yun, sorry. Liliit pa.
Ano yan?
Ayun oh. Okay, go. Ay. Yung isa.
Ito.
Ayan. Hindi yung isa.
Ano to?
Hindi ko ano rin.
Ito.
No.
Buti kayo na. Albino.
Ano eh?
Saan mo yan to? Ito. You know. Yung skull.
Hindi pwede. Bakit kami bigyan mo yun?
Anong pinakain niya?
Oo, mga
Ano ka ba nasa? Hindi mo pinansin. Sorry, hindi kita napansin. Stop.
Oh, kun-
Final. Oh my god. Rat snake.
Yan yung pipe. Ay,
Birds and can mimic almost any sound. Breeding can feed on seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Go, Dazzle! And she found it! Another class for Dazzle, the trainer Mikey. Now, for the next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning, you say, Rico, Rico. cheers. Regatas. Let's go. Come on, guys. Another one from Riga. Here's Regatas. Let's go. And another one from Riga. And it's a tie for the last one. From Riga. And Riga wins. What a close game. Friends, together with your trainers one night. On your left side is the only male South American sea lion that we have, and he is the handsome one. Nice smile. His name is Vincent. Together with trainer Jerry, say hi. And on the other side is one of the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here, and that's making her the smartest. I'm gonna be shy girl. Her name is Jenny. Together with trainer Jamie, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have an idea why are they called bee? Or better, do they carry mammals? An idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Guys, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because they're crop dippers, which are able the bird's wing. See those? The term really fast will also be translated as wing-footed, since their fingers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater from place to place, right guys? And you know, they often stay in the hills because they look very much alike. But some differences between still and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger round rivers. And they can also turn their back to the rivers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about the from weight to water? And their small external ears give them a sense of hearing. Water ball and below the water surface. Sea lion is that now? 2.5 miles per hour! Wow, look at that! That was so fast! Another applause for Yeti! Go girl! I'll clap that for Here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them? Now let's go! 1, 2, 3, salute everybody! Wow, thank you so much!
Bibi,
Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. Let's go guys! Okay, what's first? The race. Go ahead and get those race. And they got it! A round of applause for Vincent and Yeti. And on the other one, they asked me for red. Okay, let's take her back. So trainers, what's next? The ball? How do you think they get the ball? It's saying, your balance! Go Yeti, or are you Vincent? Ako, naglalaro na sila. Ayun, no? Go, boy! Guys, let's cheer for Vincent! Go, Vincent! Go, Vincent! Right, almost there. Let's go. Steady, yeah? One, fantastic! Come on, you got the monsters! Come on, guys! Wow, excellent work, guys! Hey, ka na yun? Okay, I think we got everything. The ball in the ring, the ball. Now let's move on. You know what you want. People in the crowd, ready to stand it up. Well, this is the best part. Yeehaw! A round of applause for Vincent and Lenny. And for the trainers as well to that great dance number. We not survive the trash-filled environment, so let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind we're the steward of our planet and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Vincent and Trainer Jeremy, Ian and Trainer Jamie, and all of us here at Aquatica and the Little Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy, and please join us again soon. So take and have a nice day. Say goodbye, everyone, guys. Bye.
Bye!
And by the way, guys, if you'd like to have more photos with our
Bye-bye. No, 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 no. Huwag mo ilagay yun. So yun mga kabukers, kakatapos lang namin mag-Ocean Park. So andito kami ngayon sa Luneta. Papapicture tayo kay si Rizal. So si Rizal na po. Punta tayo sa may fountain muna. Last na dyan. Paliparin mo nga yan.
Oh, wag! Grabe!
Aglit lang. So yun guys, andito kami ngayon sa Luneta. Kakatapos lang namin mag Ocean Park. Kasama ko yung mga baby ko. Ayan. Pupuntan namin yung fountain. Uy! Dirty yan baby. Yun o. Ayun, mga 4 o'clock PM. Mainit pa rin yung yung araw. Alas 4. Mainit pa rin.
you.